on today's video, we will be reviewing this pool. So right here is what it looks like, and we're gonna put the pool right over here. We're doing it early in the morning because it's hot right now. Right here is where it is, and right here is where it shows the user manual, like that. Right here is the ladder. So right here are the are these the legs or arms? Legs and feet. So these are the legs and feet, as you guys can see. So right here are the arms. It's like we're renovating a house, but we're really building a pool. So right here is what the pool looks like. We have got it up. Now I have done all of the feet. I have to continue doing the feet, but it's pretty much done. I just need to get the feet, and then that's about it. So it looks really good. It's a perfect size. We wasn't gonna get a pool this year, but we got one, and it's a perfect size, so yeah. So right here is what it looks like. We got the ladder. The ladder isn't completely done yet. We're missing one more, but here's what it looks like, and we're waiting for it to fill up. So as you guys can see, the pool is kind of full, but not all the way, as you guys can see. And this is a cool pool. And if you are, wanting to pool, I think this is a nice pool, and I think you guys should get it. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And plus, the buy link is down below. It'll be the first link. So yeah, bye guys.